Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to do Block Blast glitch. Now this glitch will help you get more and more high score. So to do this glitch, you'll have to open the game, then go to classic game. And once you are in the classic game, you will have to click on this gear icon, then click on replay till you get a game just like this or a game with a good vertical block. So what you should do is to simply try to get vertical blocks as you can, and the game itself will give you more and more blocks that is suitable to make more and more vertical blocks. So the game will continue doing so, and by this way, you will be able to get more and more blocks. So the key point in this glitch is the vertical block. As you can see, they keep giving me more and more blocks that can I actually put them in a vertical manner. Oh, I failed this one, but no problem. Now here, as you can see, it actually gave me something special for this move in order to get 2 vertical blocks. So this is a very good glitch that you can actually use. And I want to note something that you may have some modifications if you have a newer version, and this glitch might be deleted in the upcoming new versions. So keep in mind that you will have to get repetitive vertical blocks. And as I said, this may work for you or not work because of the new updates. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.